Welcome back to another musket powder seasoning recipe. Today we're going to be making some deviled eggs. First, start by bringing a pot of water to a boil. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and vinegar to the water. This will help you peel the eggs down the line. Cook the eggs for 8 minutes and then transfer to an ice bath once finished. Let cool completely and start to peel. Once all your eggs are peeled, begin to cut them in half. Separate the yolks from the egg whites and set them each into their own container. Transfer the egg yolks to a food processor and pulse a few times. We chose to use a Tammy here, but a food processor works great as well. Once the egg yolks have been blended together, add the following ingredients: 4 ounces of mayo, 2 ounces of creme fraiche, 14 grams of Dijon, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, salt and pepper to taste, and finally your favorite musket powder seasoning. We chose to use red, but you can also use white or whichever you prefer. Mix it all together one final time and add it to a piping bag. If you don't have a piping bag, add it to a Ziploc bag and cut off one of the corners. Arrange the eggs, pipe in the egg yolks, and then cover one last time with some musket powder seasoning. Garnish with some dill and enjoy. We hope you've enjoyed this musket powder seasoning recipe. Feel free to check out our website for additional musket powder seasoning recipes.